To summarise it, it's about enabling people with a learning disability to lead the best possible lives that they can for themselves with some support. So a learning disability strategy for North Wales for people with learning disabilities was created a few years back, and our transformation team was put in place to enable all the goals that were listed in the strategy. So they looked at areas like living in your own place, feeling safe, having friends, having meaningful roles in life.
Now, this project's helped me with many things, but the main thing's giving me a voice for others, pride in the work we're doing, and some of the things I can't actually describe the pride I have in it.
There is so many people out there that have done so much work with this, especially through COVID, and kept it going. And people have really needed this co-production and being a part of everything. Because once you're a part of something, you have something to live for. And I think really that is all we're asking.
I think that the impact on staff has been great, because what we do is we use an approach called co-production, which means that we design services and solutions with people with learning disabilities. And so the staff have had to learn how to be alongside people in designing those solutions and delivering them, not consulting or engaging, right from the beginning, co-producing.